Hello everyone, this is Baljit from JK, and this video we will learn how to set up Amazon Alexa Echo Dot second generation for first time. And my previous video we review Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. We also learn how to factory reset Amazon Alexa Echo Dot second generation. If you missed those videos, you can go to description link and I have a link below. You can click on and watch those videos. Now let's move to Echo Dot device for setup. Step 1, we will power up. Blue light will circle top of Alexa Echo Dot for a minute. Then it will turn an orange color. That means your Alexa Echo Dot is ready for setup. If not, you can press a recording button anytime. For 5 seconds, it will go to setup mode and the message will play as follow.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
For final setup, we will go to on our smart device to access Alexa app. On smart device, we will go to App Store. We will search for app called Amazon Alexa or Alexa app. We will type Alexa. It will appear on top, first one. We will click on it from top. The second one is called Amazon Alexa. It shows open because I have already installed. In your case, you have to install, then open. Click on open. Alexa app will open. Left corner at the top, home button, press home. Then menu bar will be dropped. We will click on setting from the menu. Then we will click on setup new device. Then we will choose our device. I have an Echo Dot. I choose Echo Dot. Then we will say continue. Then continue to Wi-Fi. If your Alexa on program mode is okay. If not, you have to hold the recording button for 5 seconds. My device is already in program mode, so I will click on continue. Now we will set up our Echo Dot device with our Wi-Fi network. For this one, we will go to our smart device and setting. We will search for Wi-Fi network name with Amazon. We will click. Our smart device will connect network Amazon. Then we will go to our Alexa app and it will appear connected to Echo Dot. Simply press to continue and it will show router networks. Which one we want to connect, we will choose. And simply press connect. It will ask for a router network or Wi-Fi router network password. This is basically your home Wi-Fi network password. You type your password, then click on done and then click on connect. It will take time to connect your Echo Dot with your router network. Depend on how fast is your network. By setting up our Echo Dot with the router network or our home network, we basically making our router a center point where all smart device will communicate through the center point with our Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. Now our Wi-Fi network setup is complete. We simply press on continue. It will take to the next page. It will ask select how you want to use your Echo Dot. I choose Bluetooth. It will take a couple seconds and will connect to my Bluetooth speaker. And the next page, it will show us a demo video. There is no skip for this video. You have to watch or you can fast forward. After video played, click on next. Then click again on the next. Then click again on the next and go to home. At home screen, you can simply click on home, go to setting, and you can see your Alexa Echo Dot. Whatever you have a name, it will appear. Our setup is complete. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.